Any country in the world that is reforming the government always reviews what is the relationship. You have to look at who the new government is coming in, what they said during their campaign, and what they are going to do. And we're going to do the same as we would with any other country and hopefully have excellent relationships. But history is a great teacher of what might happen in the future.
Pakistan is of highly educated people, people who possess a lot of world content. It's also full of people that do not have world content and who have found themselves in the midst of either revolution or in the midst of fervor related to religion or just excessive poverty. And so all of these factors, when you combine them together, the United States has had an interesting relationship with Pakistan. Pakistan is a beautiful country full of enormous resources, but that is a divided country. If you tout yourself as a country trying to resolve yourself. And so that's where the Afghanistan problem bleeds over with the Taliban to Pakistan, and the reliance on their own stability is very hard because it's region.